How to cook rice in a microwave rice cooking pot. Microwave rice cookers are easily available and they make the job of cooking rice super simple. Simply add the amount of rice you need to the cooker, rinse and then drain, and then add sufficient amount of water. Place the double lid and lock it. Now place this in the microwave at a high power. That's the normal power on your microwave for 5 minutes, after which you want to cook it again for another 15 minutes, but this time reduce the power level to 50%. So in 20 minutes you have perfectly cooked fluffy white rice. And here's a list of some of the common rices and their cooking times, as well as the amount of water you need.